Hi there, welcome to our channel FleetTech. In this video, we'll talk about how to calculate APR on loan. So for this, let's move to our PC screen. First of all, let's understand what is APR. So APR stands for annual percentage rate. It's the true cost of borrowing money, including not just the interest rate but also fee like loan originating charges. Now the basic APR formula is APR is equal to total interest plus fee, which is divided by loan amount and divided by number of days into 365 into 100. It may sound complicated, but let's break it down. Just imagine you borrow $10,000 for 1 year. Now you pay $500 in interest and $100 in loan fees. Now the total cost is $500 plus 100 that loan fee, which is equal to 600. So the loan amount was $10,000. So now the number of days is equal to 365. Now if I plug all these details in a formula, which will be equal to APR is equal to 600 divided by 10,000 divided by 365, which is number of days, into 365 into 100. So APR is equal to 6%. So your APR would be 6%, not just based on interest, but the full cost of borrowing. So I hope now you understand. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.